अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। आज के इस लेसन में हम सीखने वाले हैं 150 interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are those sentences in which what, who, when, how, which, whose, where are used. So today we are reading 150 interrogative sentences. What is your name? Who is he? Who do you think will win the election? When did you last see him? How many years has he been here? What is the name of your sister? How much will this cost? Who is working in the shop today? Where is the post office? When did they arrive? What are you doing tomorrow night? What kind of car does he have? Who did you meet yesterday? How much is it worth? Which day of the week are you? What time did you have lunch? Which day of the week is it? What are you doing on Sunday? What is the name of your next door neighbor? How cold is it today? When did he last go to the dentist? Who is your favorite singer? When did you last see her? What time is it now? Where are they going on holiday next year? What was the date of your last visit to the dentist? Where did he go on his holiday last year? What is the name of your next door neighbor? What do you have for lunch today? When are you coming to see me next? What time does he have lunch? How many children does she have? How much do you think it is worth? Do you have a lot of friends here? How many sisters have you? Where do they live? Why don't they like me? Why don't you like me? What do you think? What do they do? Where are they going? How many brothers have you? Who is that woman? How much do I owe you? What does that word mean? How much money do you have? What time is it there now? When did you come here last time? Who was the last person to see you? Where did you meet her? Who else is here? Do you know anyone else here? What do you look like? How much money do they make a year? Who knows her? Who will make a tea for me? When did she come here? Where is it? Why didn't he tell me? How long have they been married? What a lovely dress! What kind of dog is it? What kind of an animal is a dolphin? When did you buy your car last year? Who was the president of this country in 1960? How long will it take to get there? What do you think of this product? When was the last time you went skiing? Where did you go on vacation last summer? Who is the president of this country now? When will you visit your moms? Where do you live? Where shall we go? Why haven't you started studying? When did you finish your school? Where in the world did I leave my phone? Who do you love? You can tell us. Whose book did you bring me? When are the best days to go to the mall? What kind of music do you want to dance to? How many topics do you have studied? Did we make a cake for you? What kind of music do you like? Did you take your vitamin this morning? What do you think about this subject? How did it get so late so soon? How many movies did you watch this month? How far is it between the school and the house? Should I call or email you? Why are you so scared of me? Who fixed the computer? How many times do you smoke? Who knows the answer to these questions? Whom did you see yesterday? Why are you not interested? तो दोस्तों ये था आज का हमारा लेसन। उम्मीद है आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। आपसे मिलेंगे अगली नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर। अल्लाह हाफिज़।